At a recent mega rally that was held at Rongjeng in East Garo Hills District, the leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had alleged that the solution to the boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam was an intention of the MDA government to divide Meghalaya and at the same time to pressure those living in disputed areas to give up their right to fight. The All India Trinamool Congress had also announced that should they be voted to power after the 2023 Assembly elections, they will scrap the entire border agreement of the MDA government. Refuting such allegations by the leader of the opposition, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mukul Sangma, expressed dissatisfaction at the TMC's statement of scrapping the recent border agreement, of which he alleged could not be resolved while the Indian National Congress was in power in the state of Meghalaya.
It's very sad, I should say, that the Trinamool Congress has made this statement because, to be very frank, when they were in power for 8 years, they didn't do anything about it. And now when finally something has happened, they just simply want to undo it because maybe they were not part of the actual solution at that point in time. I don't know why they are feeling this way. I think they should take it in a positive manner and be happy that we have finally found a solution to a very, very complicated problem like this. And I was going through the statements that have been made by the opposition leader, and he mentioned that the proper surveys and the maps and the different kind of revenue maps should have been looked at. I just want to tell all of you that the maps and the reports that were made, I repeat this, and I think you asked the question also to him, is that these maps were made by them. And the reports that were submitted were those reports that were put in by them. Hence, if the revenue maps had to be seen, then they should have seen it in 2011-12. Now, after the maps and studies and the surveys were done by the government of Meghalaya, irrespective of a Congress government or a NPP government or an MDA government, the point is that the government of Meghalaya in 2011 went through the revenue maps, went through whatever maps and submitted a report to Assam saying that these are the areas of differences. And now those same people are saying that we should go back to the revenue map. Aren't you, kind of negating your own work in your own stand, the work that you did, the reports that you put in, now you're telling us why did we accept those reports. So it's quite strange that the opposition leader has made these kind of allegations, because if he is making allegations, then he's making allegations against himself only. Because we were not there when the reports were made. And now if he's asking us that why are we accepting and why did we work on the basis of the report that was submitted by him, and that we should not have seen those reports and gone through the revenue map, I think it's ridiculous. So he's just trying to, make this an issue. For the last many years, months, they didn't make this an issue, and now suddenly, maybe because elections are coming, they're trying to find what's happening, what's there, what issues to bring up. Maybe they're making this an election issue. I would urge them that these are not the kind of issues that one should look at. Look at development issues, different issues that are there.